Okay, good evening, folks. Hope this is going to work because it's they're supposed to be universal leads, and Matthew Scott is going to set as not universal. Can you believe that? So, so you can hear me, but I can't hear me. So this should be fun. Okay, I'm just going to do 4 or 5 songs, I think. So, if you want to dance or whatever you want to do, please do so. Little old thing from the Everly Brothers is called Bird Dog. Johnny is a joker, a very funny joker. When he jokes my honey, joking is so funny. Johnny is a joker, it's a trying to steal my baby, he's a bird. Johnny sings a love song, he sings the sweetest love song. But when he sings of mine again, to me he's just a wolf dog. Johnny wants to fly away, get him a summer baby, he's a bird. Hey bird dog, get away from my way. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my loving man alone. Hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chick that you can call your own. Johnny kissed the teacher, he took her up to reach her. Well, he's a teacher's pet now. Well, he wants he can get him now. He even made the teacher let him sit next to my baby, he's a bird dog. Hey bird dog, get away from my bed. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my loving girl alone. Hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chick that you can call your own. He's a bird dog. He's a dog. Thank you very much. Matthew, can you get this speaker? I can't hear a thing. Can you get it on the stage somewhere? On a table or something will do. Sorry about this, folks, but oops, can't get this. Okay. It's like, okay, that'll have to do. Pull it back a bit. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it's a little thing from the Beatles now. Called Oh My Lovin'. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. Well, I'll pretend that I'm kissing her lips I'm missing, and I hope that my dreams will come true. And then while I'm away, I ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. All my loving, oh, I will send to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember, I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day. I'll send all my loving to you. All my loving, oh, I will send to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true. All my loving, all my loving, all my loving, oh, I will send to you. Thank you much. A little bit of Beatles there. Okay, a little bit of reggae now, because Reggie just walked in. It's a little Elvis song called Wise Men Say. Would it be a sin for I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows gently to the sea, darling, so it flows, something I'm meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, or I can't falling in love with you. Like a river flows gently to the sea, darling, so it flows. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, or I can't help falling in love with you, or I Thank you much. A little bit of okay, a little old thing now from a guy called Buddy Holly. We got any Buddy Holly fans in? Have we? Okay, this is a little thing called Old Boy. And actually, Barry, the keyboard player that's been in the corner, on the front of this, he played the harmonica. Would you believe that? Because you'll notice it's out of tune and out of time. Sorry about that, Barry. shed with a cold. You can hear my heart calling, little, little love if it's everywhere. I'm gonna see my baby tonight. All of my love, all of my kisses. You don't know what you've been missing for. When you're with me, oh boy, the world could see that you were meant for me. Oh boy, when you're with me, oh boy, the world could see that you were meant for me. See that you were meant for me. Shot up here in the shadow with the gold. You can hear my heart calling, little, little love is everything right. But I ain't gonna see my baby tonight. All of my love, all of my kissing. You don't know what you've been missing for. When you're with me, oh boy, the world could see that you I've been away and I felt no hesitation no more. When you're with me, oh boy, the world could see that you were meant for me. And that you were meant for me. And that you were meant for me. Thank you much. Okay, a little old thing now called Help Me Make It Through Tonight. How many have I got? One more, two more, 10 more? Oh, okay. That's happy birthday 13 times. Okay, a little thing called Help Me Make It Through Tonight. Take the ribbon from you, shake it loose and let it fall. Lay it soft against your skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm asking is your time. Help me make it through the night. Well, I don't care who's right or wrong, I will try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow, 'cause tonight I need a man. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight. All I'm asking is your time. Help me make it through the night. Try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow, Yesterday's dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight. All I'm asking is your time. Help me make it through the night. Well, I don't care who's right or wrong. I will try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Tonight I need a friend. Yesterday's dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight. Oh, I'm asking is your time. Help me make it through the night. 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 Okay, thank you.
Hey!
Okay, we'll finish off now a little bit with a little old thing called Under the Board Walk. Matt, are you ready, dear? Wherever you are? Well, I'm off.
Just so you know, we're playing here.
Okay.
I'm bringing the start into the club.
Oh, when the sun goes down and lights the tar on the roof, and your feet get too hot, you put your tiny fire through. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, all the blame, my baby, is where you're gonna be. We'll be out in the sun, we'll be having some fun, people walking by, we'll be falling in love another boardwalk. From the sands you can hear the happy sounds of the carousel. You can even taste the hot dogs, French fries they say.
Hello,
Under the boardwalk,
Can I join you by yourself?
down by the sea,
Oh, yeah.
on a blanket with my baby, that's where you gonna be.
We're in the bar. That's alright?
Yeah, not bad.
No.
We'll be out in the sun,
You're doing sound as well.
Yeah.
we'll be having some fun, people walking by, we'll be falling in love another
You know this guy then?
boardwalk.
I'm going to get a keyboard player up next, play 1 or 2 songs, get yourself sorted, I'll put stuff in position for you, right? And then, we'll go for what
What are you doing? Well, well song. Are you next? Are you next? I better get a drink then, that's the case.
We'll be out in the sun,
I've had my 1 alcoholic drink today.
we'll be
Well,
having
that's
some
translate all
fun,
the songs though.
people walking
It is.
by,
Song it.
we'll be falling
Thank
in
you for
love
the
another
Thank you for the gist of that.
Thank you much. I don't know what is or isn't happening now. Okay.
Great.
Is Mr. Mead's not you, is he?
I haven't seen him, no.